Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to blind carbon copy in Gmail. Let's begin. Once you have successfully opened your Gmail account, you will have all of your emails in front of you, alright? So you can either reply, so you can compose an email, or you can simply compose a new email right over here. Then we will have various options we can interact with. You will have your recipients in here and the subject. So as you can notice, if I'm going to click on recipients, I can add anything here. But if we're going to check the right side, we have the add CC recipients and the BCC, which is the blind carbon copy. Simply click on that, and now it has made a new section where I can interact and add recipients over here. So after you have successfully add your recipients, you can now compose your email carefully and you're done. You have successfully interrogated this in your Gmail or in your email. I hope you found this video very helpful.